Good morning, friends. This is Dr. Viramneni Venugopal Rao, Vastu and Astrology Consultant. With request by my clients and friends, I would like to discuss on effect of directions on sleeping. When people are sleeping in your house, in your bedroom, even hotels, when you go to vacations, you feel some discomfort or more comfort, depending on where are you sleeping, how the mode of sleeping, and where is your head is kept when you're sleeping, which direction. Those are some questions arised by my friends and my clients. So I would like to explain technically, is it related to Vastu sciences or medical sciences or general sciences? So I want to correlate all the sciences together. What is the effect of directions on sleep? Sleep is essential and crucial for both physical or mental health. We know that. It is also known that sleep can be controlled by ourselves and our habits. The knowledge about the power we have control our sleep, when influences our metabolism, is thus very important for all of us. According to the Vastu Shastra, the directions are said to play a very important role and have an effect on the quality of our sleep. According to Vastu Shastra, Indian traditional architecture as well as a medicine, as bioengineering, they have researched and given specifications about the directions of bed and the position of head while sleeping, which has powerful effect on our health. The Vastu Shastra considered 4 basic directions influencing the quality of sleep. This has been powered by Indian and Chinese philosophy too. When you talk about the 4 basic directions, we have a north, east, south, and west. When you want to sleep, there are the 4 sides in the room. You can put a bed. You have a north facing, your head can be east, your head can be south, your head can be west. There are the 4 options are there. We need to know what is the effect when you sleep each and every options. When head keep it east while sleeping, what is the effect of Vastu and science? East is the best source of more energy and power as per Vastu. Then energy is derived from the sunrise, which will help to create health. If you place your head towards east while sleeping, then you would certainly feel better in the morning. It triggers solutions that can help you overcome health-related problems when you head at east side. The position also is good for students, increase the memory power and concentration on their education. East enhances memory, health, spiritual inclination, and leads to higher concentration and retention of the power. When we need to understand when we sleep by placing your head into the east side, morning rising sun will give the energy. Morning rising sun give the energy that enters the head. When you sleep in the east, that raising sun energy enters the head and passes through your body and lives through the feet. That when morning energy, when enters, it is the cool. When lives from the feet, warm. So cool head, warm feet is indicates best health. It is there in Ayurveda. It is there in any medical sciences. Cool head, warm feet. People see that when the feet is cold, then we'll rough it to make some warm for comfort. So when you sleep in the east, by default, you get that energy. That is the effect of the east. Then I go to the west. It is not so good like east, but it is some extent helps us succeeding and gaining more profit in your business, generating of more great ideas when you sleep, keeping head into the west. Vastu Shastra allow perfectly to keep your head into the towards west while sleeping, there is no doubt. Also, that direction can relieve you of any unwanted negative energies in your life, also energy from yours in your life. It is mainly important that when you keep your head into the west, your feet into the east, then morning rising sun will give the cool energy that your feet get cool and head get warm. That's not good. That's the reason, yes, you can put your head into the west, but condition is you need to wake up before sun rises. Our tradition says always wake up early morning before sun rises. The reason, if you sleep, you are keeping head into the west, the morning cool energy will touch the feet get a cool, that is unhealthy condition. Then energy pass to the body when you go out head side, that get a warm, that head getting into the warm, it is a bad sign of health. So yes, you can sleep by keeping head into the west, but you need to wake up before sun rises. I'll tell another one. We are spiritual people. We don't keep our feet towards east. Another reason, the sun we feel as a god, sun god. We don't want to keep our feet towards east when sun rises. So that is another thing. West is third priority. But if follow condition, wake up early. Then I'm going to the south. South is the best location when you want to place the head. According to Vastu, in our northern hemisphere, just we need to see that the two hemispheres, northern, southern hemisphere. When you look into the northern hemisphere, only the small difference. When you need to keep head into the south in northern hemisphere, the direction gives you sound sleep, relax, calm, what we need when we sleep. We should be very relaxed and forget all things happen the daytime. When you come up, wake up early, pleasantly next day morning, that is important. South gives us relaxation, skills, and good relationships. That's the reason we keep our head into the south. According to magnetic pole also theory, mutual attraction between the two head and the south creates harmonious exchange between earth and the person, body of animal or person sleeping, keeping head in the south. Then head facing towards south, but advisable, but avoid little bit the location called between south and southwest. Otherwise, always the best to place it in the south. Finally, coming into the north, out of 4 directions. See, east, the best direction to sleep. Head West also best, but need to wake up early before sun rises. South always best. No side effects, always the best. Then coming to the north, always worst. This is the one direction that should be completely avoided while placing our head into sleep. It scientifically confirmed the strong evidence that is not advisable to sleep, keeping our head towards north. That scientific evidence I'm going to talk you next. What is the evidence are there is technically. Vastu Shastra says very clearly 5,000, more than 5,000 years onwards, don't keep your head into the north. Why? Science also, medical science, biomedical science, engineering science, and physical science, physics also talks about why it is affects on north. Then I'm coming to that. What is the effect of north? Effect of directions on sleep. When you sleep, particularly in the north, any animal, what is the major effect? When you see our body system created, if you say, take a person, human being body system created, such a way that heart is placed 3/4 of the body position. It is not center of the body. The reason heart has to pump the blood to all the body parts equally. If it is the middle of the body, it cannot pump, forcefully need to pump upper side of the head. That is a way, when you walk, sleep, it should be balanced, the blood circulation, that the divine creation, universe creation as a created heart in the third of 3/4 of the place in the body. And the pump better, this way it helps to pump the blood better gravitational, against gravitational force to your brain. And the brain, even though it is their upper side, even though the blood it pumps too much towards brain, where the system is created, that capillaries, like veins and arteries, like a capillaries cannot handle same blood pressure into the brain. It will be different size in the brain. When extra blood in pump in the brain, they burst, leading to hemorrhages. The blood, the extra pumps to the brain, it leads to the brain hemorrhages. Why I'm talking about brain hemorrhages and blood pumping related to the sleeping. When you sleep, it is related, when you sleep, which direction are you sleeping? Is it affecting on your blood flow? Is it affecting on blood pressure? Yeah. How it affect? We need to understand the relationship between the brain veins and blood circulator system, and related to the Vastu science and related to the sleeping. That's the reason I just try to explain. When the extra blood pumped in, they burst, leading to hemorrhages. If you sleep in this direction, north direction, blood starts flowing more towards your head, owing to the Earth's magnetic field. Here, magnetic field effect on your blood, and it pumps more towards your brain. When it towards brain, the brain circulatory system and rest of the body system is different. So when blood extra drop cannot be handled that brain circulatory system, it leads to hemorrhages, it leads to brain stroke. That's the reason why it is increases, in blood flow, why it increases in blood pressure in the when you sleep in the north. When we know that when you sleep in the keeping head into the north, our magnetic field effect on our blood. The reason our blood is content hemoglobin content iron will convert into the artificial magnet. If the energy flows towards north, then our blood flows towards upper side towards north, heart to the north. That inside the blood, the iron get a magnetified, impacted by the magnetic effect. That will give impact on the blood pressure. That is more pressure towards head. Head cannot handle the more blood, then it leads to the health problem. If you keep in your head 5 to 6 hours in the north side, then that magnetic pull will cause increased pressure in your brain vessels. If you are behind the certain age, your old age, above 60 or sometime above 50, keep on sleep that location, brain stroke leads to paralytic stroke and brain hemorrhages can happen when you sleep. That is clearly evidences are there when you sleep in the room or house, hotel, and vacation place, even residential place, keep more than 5 to 6 hours. That is the reason should avoid. Effect of a directions on sleep. Again, I'm talking about north repeatedly. I'm going to explain different way now. A person head is positive energy and feet comes to negative energy. In the north come to the positive energy and south come to the negative energy. When you sleep, a person towards north, when you sleep, person towards north, and both positive magnetic fields get a repulsion. That repulsion effect on our mind, and it gives a disturbance in the sleep. You don't feel comfortable in the sleeping because there is no good harmony between the impact magnetic field or energy fields between your head when you put north side, and north is positive, red is positive. We know since school days, two positives repulse. We don't feel comfort. We feel exhausted when you wake up. Our subconscious mind is disturbed a lot. You don't get sleep, sound sleep. When you sleep, keeping your head into the south, then south is a negative magnetic field, like EMF, electromagnetic field. And our head is a positive. When you sleep, your head keeping into the south, and earth is a negative, the both will be perfectly create good harmony, affection. You sleep well, get a sound sleep, you feel relaxed, you feel re-energized. That is the indication. This is technically talks about why we need to sleep while sleeping. Why we need to sleep south by facing head into the south. This is another one of the reasons, technical reason. Then small correction here. When you sleep in the north, magnetic effect and effect on the circulation of the blood causes stress, illness, and disturbance in the mind. But we have the globe, have the two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. If you go to the northern hemisphere, north of equator, don't sleep with your head in the north direction. Northern hemisphere, don't sleep your head north side. And southern hemisphere, again opposite. That magnetic effect, other side of that is a negative come to the positive, positive come to the negative. But our head always top is a positive, feet is a negative. Then other countries like Australia, New Zealand, and Brazil and South America, those locations, they put head it north, not south. Like what we discussed, east, west are same for everyone. But when you come to the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere people, they keep head into the north. Northern hemisphere people keep in head into the south. That is the difference. Okay. Then medical, I am going to add some medical knowledge into the sleeping process. Why north affects on your sleep when you keep your head into the north. Everybody knows when you get a dark evening times, start getting drowsiness, sleepy. Why it happen? Our eye, light takes, that passes to the body. That body program is fixed. When dark starts, that after 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, depending on the country and region specific, journal specific. When dark starts outside, that signals goes to pineal gland. Signal goes to pineal gland. Pineal gland has a serotonin. Pineal gland has a serotonin. One hormone called serotonin. It is converts into that acetylates and it converts into that melatonin. The melatonin is a hormone response for the sleeping. The melatonin is a hormone is a response for the sleeping, which is triggered regularly when time comes to the sleep. When you put off all the light, you can get a sleep in the evening. If you keep on studying or doing something, putting in the light, you don't get sleep because our pineal gland will not trigger when the light is there. And put off the light, you get triggered. Or if you're tired, by default, you get a sleep. That is tired sleep. Regular sleep, when you put off the light, dark time, then you can start getting the sleep because of the serotonin converting into the melatonin in the place of the pineal gland. What is the, how it is related to the sleeping of north? When you sleep in the keeping in the north, when this electromagnetic force south to north it rotates, then that will impact on the process of the serotonin to melatonin. The melatonin manufacturing as a production is as affected, then you don't have the enough melatonin go to sleep. That is the reason. One more reason you don't get a sleep when you sleep by keeping your head into the north. The melatonin is a hormone triggered to sleep and wake up call, sleeping call comes from the melatonin. When melatonin production is not proper way, hormone production is not proper way in the pineal gland in our brain, then it is difficult to get a good sleep. That leads into the neurological disorders, Alzheimer's, and depression, lot of other problems. See that effect of the melatonin in the medical sciences, doctors knows, many people know that. Then they give the melatonin medicine, hormone injections or hormone tablets to get a sleep well. External dose we need to take. One more reason, it may be reason you are sleeping or by keeping it into the north. That is the medical terminology. As medical terminology plus and a vastu combinedly clearly explains why we should not sleep by keep our head into the north, while keeping our head into the north. Then many researches happen. Similarly, our spiritual sciences says only dead people sleep it pointing at north. It is our Hindus, our customs says aren't that body, dead body, they keep deceased person, they keep their head into the north until cremation. Hindus, Indians, most of the people believes that north is the route that soul takes to exit the body. Soul exit the body. The reason you don't sleep by keeping north into the north, headed north. And scientifically confirmed, team of the doctors in India, all in the particularly Dehradun, they took students, medical students and nursing students, they made them into the sleep in east some days, west some days, north some days, and south some days. Then they checked that systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, heart rate, and the serum cortisol. Then they check the continuously for research purpose. But when the students slept by keeping their head into the north, they observed abnormal blood pressures, abnormal heart rate, abnormal serum cortisol. That is a very good publication. Also, doctors published by saying north is effects when you sleep by keeping it into the north. Another team of the doctors, scientists together, University of Washington, and the team of the doctors and medical engineers and cancer research at Hutchinson Cancer Institute at Seattle, they performed a group of people the same. They reported American Journal of Epidemiology. Electromagnetic field is affecting on sleeping patterns. Electromagnetic field affecting on the sleeping pattern. Bioengineering department, medical and cancer department together, they did research. And the patients, when they put them into the hospital, when on the bed, and members, healthy people and unhealthy people, they did research, then found it. Electromagnetic force, EMF, is affecting on the sleeping pattern. Why? This electromagnetic force is impacting on the melatonin hormone production from the serotonin. The process is disturbed. The process, another hormone synthesis enzymes will involve. That enzymes impact will be reduced. The process will completely stop or minimized. Where no melatonin, then you're going to get a sleep well. Even doctor gives the sleeping medicine or psychic medicine or some sedation medicine also. Only the medicine will give the sedation, not exactly melatonin will give the sedation. That is done at Washington and University, as well as in Cancer Institute at Seattle. Another team of the doctors and biomedical engineers at St. Louis and James Madison University, they also done with research. Then tried to take rats, let them sleep every 10 days, 10 degrees. If you stand in the center, 360 degrees, they put them into the keeping their head into the 10 degrees every 10 days. They checked it, the behavior. They check the behavior. They observed a lot of changes in the behavior. Whatever the rats are, put them into sleep at north to northeast side, total north zone. considering evidences that while sleeping, your head cannot be at north. You may experience frustration, crankness, lack of emotional stability, diminution, and you lose willpower and a lot of physical elements that leads into the major health problems. Final word, sleeping south is given priority over east, followed by the west, but never north. This, my suggestion, first priority you keep in your head into the south. Please do consider standing center of your house or apartment. Look into the very south. When you go to the room, very south, your head can be in the south part. Don't look for the designing part. Don't look for the arranging and pattern and the creativity. Look for your future. Look for health. Look for your health is a wealth. Then wealth is good. You are good. Thank you for watching my video on effect of the sleeping when you sleep and different location directions by keeping your head. Particularly again and again, don't put your head into the north. Don't put your head into north. Try to use the south first priority, second priority east, if not west, but need to wake up early if you are sleeping west. Thanks again. This is your Dr. Veeramneni, Vastu and Astrology Consultant Trainer, Hyderabad, India. Bye.